How to fix iPhone video sound not working. Let's get started. First, check volume and Bluetooth. Swipe down from the right corner of your screen and launch your control center. Now here you're gonna find this volume bar. Slide the volume bar all the way up to max. Your iPhone might be connected to Bluetooth speakers or headphones. So, disable Bluetooth completely and try again. Unmute the video. Open the video you are trying to play. Now at the bottom right of the video, you're gonna find this option, unmute it. You should immediately hear the sound return. Try this in the Photos app or even on YouTube. Next, restart your device. So close this, launch your Settings app, navigate to the option General, scroll all the way down, click on Shutdown, wait for a few minutes and again, restart your phone. This can solve a lot of temporary glitches, including sound issues. Likewise, head over to the option Sound on Haptics. Make sure Change with Buttons is turned on. Now press the physical volume buttons on the side of your phone to raise the sound. Then open your video again and click if the sound plays. Lastly, check for the device update. So head back, click on the option General, click on the option Software Update. If any updates are available, just update it. And that's it. These are some fixes for iPhone video sound not working. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.